So you graduated from the University of Nebraska Law School. Was that what it was called?
Yes, and I want to share a story with you about my progress through the University of Nebraska.
Sure.
That I think is really important if you're thinking about becoming an attorney or you're wondering if you can fit in. The first year I had no idea what they wanted from me. And I was on probation at the end of my first year for grades because we only had one test a semester, which is typical. And that test is an essay, and you have 4 hours to do like 2 or 3 questions on an essay. And I just didn't understand what they wanted from me. So at the end of the first year, I was so low in my class rank. I think we had maybe 160, 165 members of our class, and I was so low that I was placed on academic probation. So the second year, we were able to choose a couple of classes of our own liking. The first year, you're not allowed to do that. The second year, they gave you about half the classes were required, the other half you could choose. So what I did was they posted your grade along with the rest of your classmates on a paper outside of the door to the classroom at the end of the semester. And it was by your social security number. So it wasn't your name. And then at the very bottom, they had the average of that class. And so what I did was I went around and looked at all of the papers that were the documents that had the averages of the classes. And I signed up for all of the classes that had the highest averages. That way I knew I'd be able to raise my GPA in order to get off of academic probation.